The strengths that will help me succeed in the possible tracks of community health and environment education will include having emotional literacy so I can acknowledge the feelings of people I am working with and recognizing the patterns in their thoughts to have better communication with them. Utilizing the 4 dimensions of job fulfillment can be helpful for when I am making framework on the progress being made for my current job. Being inspired, respected, useful, and showing growth can be listed as current objectives I can reach when recording the work being done over the course of a few weeks. When I start to work on leadership skills in a future organization, I plan to use a strategy that includes using the qualities of optimism through techniques, cultivating positive thinking, involving the use of the ABC formula. Said formula stands for activating event belief and consequences, so it can help people work through pessimistic mindsets. For staying motivated and pursuing my goals, I plan to stick with theories based around motivation, more specifically Herzberg's two-factor theory. This work is comprised of needs divided into 2 independent factors, along with viewing dissatisfaction not being the opposite of satisfaction, due to different stimuli becoming involved with generating emotional states. The leaders that influenced me to take these tracks are Martin Luther King Jr., Cesar Chavez, and John Lennon, due to their own efforts in humanitarian work along with advocating for improved relations among communities during the civil rights movement. I will implement empathy and advocacy skills through the method of performing both qualities in the workplace to help bolster job performance for leaders and fellow employees, which will develop a positive relation between empathetic emotion and performances that can help leaders work in high-power distant environments. The noble goals I wish to achieve for either track is to help people overcome their problems together so that they can improve their communities and advocate for a cleaner ecosystem that can help both wildlife and people by using alternative resources that won't rely on fossil fuels. To make these goals possible, I want them integrated into my life so I can continue to be motivated in pursuing them. I also want to be more involved so that more people can make a difference in helping their communities while also keeping their local wildlife safe.